Hi, my name is Luke, giving you a quick tour of Civil Tracker, which is a new tool to measure and record your Earthworks quantities over the full life cycle of your project. What makes Civil Tracker different is that it's both easy to use and detailed enough for the nuances of Earthworks projects. I've already flown my drone and uploaded data to Drone Deploy, so now I just need to log into Civil Tracker. The Materials tab contains a list of all the material types on this project. The Tracking tab shows me the change detected. Blue shows areas that have been cut, and red shows areas that have been filled. The darker the color, the greater the cut or fill. The main blue area here is an area of common excavation. The red areas show where material has been piled up. Down here at the edge, we can see construction equipment and noisy data, which we definitely don't want to include in our tracking. All I need to do is identify what changes matter. In Civil Tracker, we do this by creating tracking areas and assigning a material type, which I've already done. You can see I don't need to include the equipment or the noise. Now that I'm satisfied I've captured all changes that are relevant to the contract, I can finalize tracking and generate a progress report. Once I click the Generate Report button, I'll get an email in a few seconds with the PDF report. Okay, here's the report. On the right are tables containing the quantities. The left side has the main map, and along the bottom we have quality and coordinate system information. And finally, in the bottom corner is the map title block. This probably doesn't look too different from progress reports you've seen before, and that's the point. We created Civil Tracker so that any construction operator can create professional quality progress reports regardless of the size or the duration of the project. If you'd like to try Civil Tracker or learn a little more, just send me an email.